There's 2 screws, 1 screw here and 1 screw here. Take a Phillips head screwdriver, take these screws out, and just grab the light. You're just going to slide it forward. It might be a little more difficult to slide it out. It'll be clipped in right there and right there. And you can take these sockets out. There's a little button right here. Slide that out, just like that. Same with that one, and same with this one. Now underneath the vehicle, if you're going to replace the harness, sometimes the harness comes with the light. For the passenger side, I'm going to disconnect this connector right here and pull that out. You can just use a trim tool and slide that out. And just grab the harness and slide it up. Now take the harness and just slide it through. Just lay this down here and take the connector and reconnect it. Lock it in place. And you can reuse that retainer and attach it right there, or you can use a wire tie to hold that on. And with the new light, it's always a good idea to replace these bulbs. Generally these are test bulbs, and this would be a 3157. Slide that back in. And the same with the others. And slide this in position. Slide these pins in those holes. Just like that. And take the screws. And get this one started. Snug it down. And snug this one down.